The light bulb opens the Quick Actions menu. There are a variety of actions you can perform through this menu, depending on the math that you've entered. Let's take a look at an example. Say you want to add a slider to this expression so that you can see what happens when the value of a changes. All you have to do is click on the light bulb and select Parameterize a. Now a slider appears, and you can adjust the value of a. If you don't want the slider anymore, you can use the light bulb to disable it. If you don't want the expression to show up on the graph, click Exclude from Plot. Maybe you want to make a new function using this specific value of a. You can click Copy Result as Text, type in the name of your new function, and then paste in the result. If you want to use this function elsewhere in the document, you can select Convert to Assignment. Now, when you type in f of x, MapleLearn recognizes this as being your function. Finally, if you want to clean up your document a bit, you can hide the original result. To learn more about the Quick Actions menu and more, check out the How to Use MapleLearn section at the bottom of the example gallery.